Today on Math Sparks, the topic is factorization. Factorization is a process where we can write an algebraic expression as a product of factors. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variables, or algebraic expressions. The example over here is x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is an algebraic expression. It is in the all three terms have the signs of addition between them. We are going to factorize it to bring it into the product form. As you can see, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, there are various methods to do the factorization. There are four types of factorization method. The very first one is common factor, which in general is called as taking common. Then there is difference of two squares, that is your also called as third identity, that is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This third identity is used. Then trinomial quadratic expressions, in other words, you can call it out breaking middle term, and then the completing square method. Let's check out quickly the methods. Okay, whenever a question comes to factorize, we have to check out stepwise. The very first method is over here, factor out the GCF, or in common words, we can say taking common. Taking common. We are going to check out, it has three terms, 2y x square minus 8xy is the second term and 24y is the third term. We are going to check that what is the highest or the greatest common factor present. So we can check out all three goes in the table of 2. So 2 is our common. Then they all carries y. So y is common. So we take 2y common and we are left with x square minus 4x minus 12 inside the bracket. After this, we are going to check out the special case of x square minus 9. Now here, using the third identity, transforming it in the format of a square minus b square. So here our a is 3x. Let's put it in a bracket. And our b is 3. Let's put it in the bracket. Then, according to the third identity, as we have written earlier also, a plus b, a minus b. X plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, then the perfect square trinomial. Here we have used the second identity, which is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. According to the question, we transform, this is our A, 5 is our B. It's fitting in our right hand side of the identity. So transforming it into the format of A minus B whole square. Okay, then next is grouping. Grouping is again somewhat similar to our taking common. When there were two terms, we can take common from two. When there were three terms, we can take common from three. Over here, there are three terms. And let's come to the last way. It's named as grouping, or in general term, we may call it as breaking middle term method. Okay, the very first thing to do the breaking middle term is this. You need to multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant, that is 4 multiplied by 15. 4 multiplied by 15 gives us 60. After this, you are going to make the paired factors. 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 multiply 15, then 5 into 12, then we have 6 multiplied 10. Means these are the paired factors. Now we are going to the topic is breaking middle term. We are going to check out the middle term is -4. So we need which paired factor can add or subtract to give -4. If you check out 6 multiplied 10, we need -4x. So we can give -10x plus 6x gives us -4x. So that's how we get -10x plus 6x. After this, now there are four terms. 4x squared is first term, -10x is second term, 6x is the third term, and -15 is the fourth term. Now we are going to take common from the first two. From the first two, 2x is common. We are left inside by 2 2s are 4, and then 0x squared. So 1x is left inside, then 2 5s are 10. Then after that 6x minus 15 plus 3 is common. So after taking plus 3 common, we are left with 2x minus 5. Now basically here there are two terms now. This is one and this is second. If we check out the bracket 2x minus 5 is common in both of them. So we have taken 2x minus 5 once and if we check out, we are left with 2x plus 3. So that is how 2x plus 3 comes in our first bracket. Let's move to another example for breaking middle term. Okay, here 2x squared plus 9x plus 10, as I told you that we are going to first multiply the coefficient with the constant, means 2 tens is 20. Then let's check out the paired factors. Okay, now our middle term was 9x. So this is an ideal paired factor. 9x is equal to 4x plus 5x. That's how we get the 4x plus 5x. 9x is split into 4x plus 5x. Now the grouping. With the grouping, the first two x was common. In the second two terms, 5 is common. So that is how we have got 2x bracket x plus 2 plus 5 bracket x plus 2. So x plus 2 is common in both of the terms. So it comes as a bracket and 2x plus 5. That is how we get our factorization done. Let's try out some more examples for breaking middle term. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Now over here, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So 1 into 6 gives us 6. Let's check the paired factors. Okay, 2 plus 3. We are going to select. We need 5x, so 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now from the first two terms, let's take x common. Here 3 is common. Okay, now x plus 2 belongs to both of the brackets. So x plus 2, x plus 3. Factorization is complete. Now let's try one more question. X squared plus 5x minus 6. Now if you check out, this is somewhat very similar to our previous question. Here also 6 ones are 6 and the factors are. But if we take out here as x squared plus 2x plus 3x minus 6 and we try to make the paired factors, both of first two terms carries a plus and the second two terms carries a minus. So eventually we will not have the same brackets as at the previous example. So it means selection of this is incorrect. We should select this one. So we can take as x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 6. Now taking common x. So we are done with the correct factorization. Now here we have some of the practice questions for factorizing the expressions. Thanks. Best of luck.